Check out these real trees. What up, YouTube? This is me today at Dayland Mall. I'm happy to be here. This is actually a part 2 to the video. If you go down, check out my videos. The first video I ever made was at Dayland. I was talking about how my father got me a suit. I still have that suit. I still fit in that suit. But yeah, so I'm making a new video today because I'm coming to get the new iPhone. This is why I'm getting the new iPhone rather than the what. The why. This is the old iPhone 13 mini. I've had the 13 mini because I've been using the iPhone 13 mini this whole time. I think that I can improve on everything I'm doing. A little bit more creativity, and that the phone keeps dying. And then obviously Apple changed the cord. So I'm just trying to do what I can do, but this phone has served me well. iPhone 13 mini, goodbye. And it's not even worth it to give to anybody because like it doesn't charge. Like whoever I give it to has to like not actually want a phone. So yeah, I'm gonna try to document the experience for you guys. Turn the camera around. Enjoy, man. I hope I get a couple more views than I get. Look, there's already a line here. This is actually pretty cool to document my experience for you guys. Coming up next, just gonna pick up this phone and get out of here. Pretty sure it's no recording in here, but whatever. They told me it's all the way down there at the end. So I'm at the Apple store on any regular day. This is a Friday, 12 o'clock in the daytime. I had trouble finding parking and stuff, but that was the hard part about this process. Other than that, we have intelligent people like Miami-Dade usually does. Everybody's quick and fast, and it's organized, and it's bilingual and multicultural. For the 16, is there a blue one?
Yeah, I have some blue ones over there. Check them out.
I'll take any blue one. I have this one already. I have this one right here. Navy blue for the 16, and this is the 13 for the trade-in.
Is it in good condition?
It's in great condition, but I don't know if it's a race. I did a backup today.
Do you remember your Apple ID and password?
Yeah. Does that mean I got it right? I got it right?
I think you got it, yeah.
Yeah, man. Sometimes you never know.
If you finish, and do you need to transfer the SIM card, or you're good already?
I have no idea.
Because
I'll go to T-Mobile store. T-Mobile will do it for me. I'll just go there in persona.
The thing is eligible.
That's for me?
Finish. Yeah, I believe that's.
Oh man, you guys are fast, man.
I don't have Cobalt.
What do you have?
This one is called Denim.
Yes.
That's good.
Yes.
Let me bring the case for you.
You got this trade-in too, right?
Yes.
Rush, do you want all of them?
Am I gonna use my gift card at all, or am I gonna take this home again?
You can use it for the case.
Like a vlogger expert here. I'm sure, man. I saw it yesterday at a party. The guy had a big camera with the iPhone on top. I'm not doing enough, man. Look at it. Look at this. Look at this. You know?
That's pretty good. That's a good place to start. If you see the Apple keynotes, you will see that Apple actually records all the keynotes for the new launches with iPhones. They have like a little rig to go with it, and then you're ready to go. You can also record your video on an external storage. So if your phone is not filling up, you can record in full 4K, 120 FPS. A lot of things you can do just with your phone. I'm blanking on the name of the company that actually makes the rigs for the iPhones to do all that.
I'll look it up. It's little by little. Sometimes, I've run into people using the iPhone doing many things, so that's all I can do. See, it has a microphone, all that.
I think they sell like professional rigs, even with lenses.
This is what I need to get? Can you show me the one you showed me before?
So I just Googled, iPhone video recording rig.
I like that one. Straight up, tons of new information on, what to do in the future if you're making something. And, it's always a knowledgeable place to come to the Apple store. But yeah, I'm trading in that iPhone 13 mini, and I'm going to get it straight to my Apple card. And then when I get the new phone, that's what I'm going to use for business going forward. So, I don't know. Pleasant experience. Face ID, huh? We take the hat off.
Like a circle with your face.
Dude, that was way too easy.
Do you have any other Apple devices with you with the same Apple ID and password?
Why? Because you wanted to
To activate it? No worries, we can do it here.
activate what?
Activate your Apple ID on the new phone.
Look, it says this though, verification code.
Alright, so let me have your SIM card. One last time.
¿Solo hablas dos idiomas?
Hablo más de dos.
¿Tres?
Tres,
¿Más,
cuatro,
más que tres?
más que tres.
¿Cerca de como cinco?
Cinco. Seis.
¿Tú crees que tú hablas 6 idiomas?
Sí. ¿Por qué no? Más idiomas.
Soy ahora aprendiendo Punjabi.
Punjabi.
But just Punjabi kirtans. I just, Punjabi kirtans are nice to listen to because there's so much content to listen to. You know, it's more about like you can't find your language. You know what I mean?
That's a very good way to learn. Get a code, tap over there. Select your phone number.
Thank you.
00 is this phone number right here?
For sure.
Right here, 785-529. Okay, there you go.
Man, that was a huge help, man.
Are you a business owner over here? Yeah. What kind of business do you own, Marcel?
Well, I'm a lawyer, you know, by day.
Okay.
But I developed a hobby and I just looked around in my profession and I was like, you know, we got to do some things with creative rather than black and white. So like being colorful, you know, but like, yeah, I'm a lawyer 9 to 5, but I'm more than just a lawyer. I'm like a, you know, I'm a sibling, I'm a neighbor, you know, all sorts of things.
It's like you know, we are all built with a different parts, right?
YouTuber, saying I'm a YouTuber is more fun, man, than saying I'm a lawyer. Boring. You see how I was like, I would say YouTuber.
Maybe now it's more fun to say. We'll continue.
I want to add my Apple Card on here. I never knew how to add an Apple Card on another phone.
So with the new phone, you have a new button over here called the action button. You can select any action that you want to do, not only silent. Do you want to select something else or you just want to leave it for action?
What do you have?
I don't have the 15 Pro Max yet. For my wife, she has the action button. I set up recognize music.
Love that.
Yeah, because
yeah.
I can pull up the
Shazam?
Shazam.
to learn more languages?
And you
By
have
the way,
another
man,
new
I learned
one.
English from rap.
Right.
Jay-Z was my first album, and I bought
You talk
Juvenile
like
Sunday.
that too, man.
Oh, be careful. Cuidado.
I have a new.
Cuidado.
I have a manager here. He's like, whenever you talk to him, he lays in some verses, some bars. Yeah, out of nowhere. Alright. So, and you also have other functionality regarding the camera with the camera button.
Is this time to go home when it says this?
So this one will take 15 to 20 minutes,
I'll go home.
and then you can finish.
I can just go home.
Yes.
Right.
And your old phone is erased already, and you're ready to go. You can also finish that one at home. Don't.
I can put this in my pocket, it'll be okay?
Yeah. So
Now I'm gonna put it in the bag. I'll put it in
if you go right now, it'll pause over there, the transfer, and then when you go home, connect to Wi-Fi. You'll start from the same place again.
It'll be okay pretty much, right? I thought it was fairly fast. It's like 1:30. My appointment was for 12:15, but I'm out of here with a new phone, plus a trade-in, a little bit of conversation, fed my eyesight a little bit. But question is, do I want to go home and eat, or do I want to stay around the mall for a little bit? Yeah, this is where I'm gonna eat. Pura vida. Have you guys ever eaten here before? It's a spot that's famous in downtown Fort Lauderdale too. So I haven't seen this to be able to order and pick up. I'm gonna order, chill, and then go back home.